Oh, yes, everything with the sun, saw, everything with the saw. Actually, very happy. Yeah, boy. Look that cat. I'm very happy, man. Perfect. Straight cat. So I have two straight cats. So then the idea is to join them in this way, to stick them here and have them together, so I can create my shape for my river table. It won't be a very long coffee table, but you know, it will be like square one. No, rectangular. Yes, it will be a rectangular. More or less you can see there. I need to work in these parts that are a bit up, but no problem. Most probably, I'm not sure, but highly possible this will be the bottom of the river table. I like more how it looks this on the top, right? But I will need to here I fuck it up, so I will need to work on this line and glue it, but you see it because it has nicer shape. The same, I need to work this because I cut these pieces of wood with the chainsaw, so I need to join them, stick them, work them, and later. At the moment, step by step, I need